Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again, with another Lost Sword content. I know we're putting out quite a lot of content. Whatever is on my mind, because it's been brewing in my head, what I'm gonna be making to you guys. Like after that video that I made, I started to play hit record. I'm not really good at like editing stuff, so whatever is coming out of my mouth, if it's good, if I see it, I watch it. If it's bad, I'll delete it and begin make another video from scratch again, back from zero. Unfortunately, but like some of the comment section were asking, what is this you're saying that? What is this range mage team? What is this knights team you're saying? Again, in this game, Lost Sword, there's like two meta teams that you can think of if you're playing Lost Sword. It's either the pure knights team or your mage range team, or it depends on the hybrid team that you want to make. That's the third one, but like it's all depending on what hinges on what you need. Okay, is if you want healers, if you want buffers, if you want to have sustain for your stages when you're clearing story, that changes. The third one has changed, but like, usually there's two when you're like trying to hit content at the moment. So for example, if you go battle here, I have a star reincarnation. So finally I was able to hit 300 million. So my account is getting stronger and stronger to this day moving forward. So I'm almost hitting that. So once maybe I hit 300 million on everything, it means that I'm good. Okay? I just need to sort out the roles on my equipments. That's the problem. Okay? And I don't have too many stat rolls. Shoutouts to the people who's asking like you need to refine your armor. Yeah, I want to refine my armor, but I want good rolls on that armor for me to refine. Unfortunately, I don't have that good of a roll for my characters, unfortunately. So if you look at this, right? This would be your range mage team. Okay, range mage team. This could be better here. Team formation would be here, changing here. It needs to be Ava. Okay, you want to put in Ava here. Where's my Ava? But my Ava currently, she's not really awakened, but like this should be Ava here because my Merlin is very um on the side of like the transcend. She's T2. Again, more copies of your character in Lost Sword means more stats. Okay, that's why I'm not putting Ava there, but should be like this. And then if you want to put in Isabel, or if you want to put in Merlin, you can do that one as well. So that could be, this would be your main team, and Galahad is the anchor of the team, and Tiamat. Because again, Galahad buffs your team, your mage team, because look at here. And also makes immunity. That's why she's also usable in the story, one of the best characters in the game moving forward for your hybrid team, mage range knight team, on top of like Galahad and Diane Kent with Lancelot, Neo Bedivere, and Tiamat. So those kind of thing. Like that's my hybrid team trying to push content. Okay, so this one, the ability to all of the archer class range attack and wizard damage is 250%, which is crazy, and they becomes immune to damage. Okay, so this would be your team for your range mage team. Okay, range mage team. And for your knights team, it all depends on you here on the left side of the, like this thing here. Just copy this one. So I have Lancelot, I have Belsi, Diane Kent, and Lohengrin. So just like Merlin here, you can swap whoever. You can swap whoever. You can remove Ran here and put somebody else. You can put K. You can put your damage dealer there, as long as it's a knight. Okay, that's why it's a knight team. Even though Lohengrin is like a long range character unit, she is a knight. Okay, she's a knight, and her damage is melee attack, which is crazy. Melee attack, melee, right? Melee is like always in the front. Melee attack, it's not a range attack. Okay, remember that. Everybody is melee attack here. Okay, magic attack, and then range attack for the archers. So that's why Lohengrin, all knight, knight's team, and then your buffer would be Diane Kent. Diane has this ability wherein your melee attack is 100%, 130% additional damage, and that's all of your knight class. That's why you want to have a knight team, because whenever you hit and then Diane buffs, everybody hits really hard. So this is technically your knights and range mage team, okay, for trying to push content, inflicting a lot of damage. This is what I use in Star Reincarnation. I just play around. I put in Ran here because again, Ran is a holy character, and holy character doesn't have attribute disadvantage. Okay, look at this. They don't have an attribute disadvantage. They can hit everything here, no problem whatsoever. Okay, that's why holy attribute characters are really good. Look at this on this side. See, all of them are holy. So from Merlin to Neo Bedivere, from Tiamat, Ava is here as well. But like again, I'm putting in here and Isabel, because Isabel, for me, Isabel is the one that I have a lot of copies of. Okay, again, more copies is if you're, see, I have a T4 Isabel. Okay, T4 Isabel, which is crazy. So yeah, so that's technically the knight and the knight team on the right, which hinges to Diane. That's why Diane is considered S tier, because she buffs your team. And then on the left side, your mage range team consisting of hinges on Galahad. That's why she's S tier as well. So, but again, comparing to the S tier, I'd rather still would have a Galahad if I have a choice. Which one do you prefer, a Galahad or a Diane Kent? I rather have a Galahad, because Galahad is, you can put her in any team, even in the night team you can put her to increase to bolster the resources even without Diane, or you can put a healer here, because again Diane cannot sustain everybody because her heals are not that super strong compared to the likes of Guinevere and Isolde. Okay? So, or if you want to put in Erin, not Erin, Erin, because she's also a buffer. It all depends on you which one do you want. But like again, knight on knight, range mage on Galahad. So that's just me. Shoutouts to the person who has commented on the thing that I'm always saying, like what's your knight and knight range night night team, range mage team, I want to know. So that's technically it. So it all hinges to Galahad, it all hinges to Diane. So hopefully you're aware now on what I was implying. So sorry about not really telling you guys that the team, that like what technically is your main team in question, core team. Okay, so again, going in, before I go again, core team on your range mage team would consist of Galahad, Tiamat, and then it's all up to you if you want Neo Bedivere. Yeah, Galahad, Tiamat, Neo Bedivere. On this side, on the knight would be Diane, Diane, Lohengrin, and Lancelot. Belsi is really good because I think she is the much needed character here in your Knights team, because she hits really hard as well. So, but again, the three core would be Galahad, Neo, Tiamat. On the other side would be Lohengrin, Diane, and Lancelot. So it's all up to you what you want to switch on Belsi or Ran. It all depends on you. Or on the other side would be Merlin or Isabel. It all depends on you on which you have. But again, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully you've understood a little bit of the team, the two meta teams that I'm telling you about. But again, pushing content, it hits different. So as you can see, this is would be my team for hard content in a way. So this would be like almost range mage in a way without Galahad. So, like, that's it, practically. So, hopefully you guys like this video. Like and subscribe again. This is 2300 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.